IVM.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, the language used on the podcast may not be fit for consumption. We warn you, tread carefully. But listen yaar, don't be so conservative. Super important guest. Show ka naam obviously is Cyrus says. But that's not so important. What's important is our guest coming in 20 seconds. उसके पहला, I would like to mention कि diet बहुत important चीज है life में. I'm doing a little bit more Hindi in this one. Mukesh sir has, who's coming on, has requested that. Diet बहुत important चीज है life में. सबसे important चीज मेरे ख्याल से सबसे important चीज ये कोरोना वायरस के टाइम में है पॉजिटिविटी और पॉजिटिविटी की बात और उसमें पॉजिटिव डाइट. तो every day if you do simple things, छोटी छोटी बातें, small things like eating half a Kit Kat, it will keep the doctor away. Dr. Cyrus, here to help you.
Namaskar, dear friends. My name is Ashish Vidyarthi. Life, as you know, is a journey. And you and I, travelers, how can we celebrate this travel? I have a podcast for you. Begin the journey. I share stories and moments from my life. Do tune in every Monday and Thursday to listen to my podcast on the IVM Podcast website, app, or wherever you get your podcast from. Cheers.
और अब पेश करते हैं the man, the myth, the legend, the great Mukesh Jabra.
Hi.
Mukesh जी, welcome to the show.
Hi, Cyrus. How are you?
बेकार शो है, बकवास शो है. It's an informal show. By now you've already understood. इस शो का स्टैंडर्ड इतना लो है कि मैं मेंशन भी नहीं कर सकता because you cannot measure how low it is. मुकेश सर, पहले बताना पड़ेगा कि सर you are one of the leading casting directors of the country. यानी कि सलमान खान, शाहरुख खान, अमिताभ बच्चन, दिलीप कुमार, वो सब आपके साइड से गए हैं और आपके हाथ है उनके करियर्स में. तो your blessings are there for full of Bollywood from दिलीप कुमार के जनरेशन to रणवीर सिंह की जनरेशन. मगर वो इंटरेस्टिंग चीज है, पार्डन, मैंने अभी तो जल्दी में ये किटकैट खा लिया, मैंने मुफ्त में मिला, तो यू नो हाउ वी आर. आपका बैकग्राउंड बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है सर जी. यू हैव बेसिकली इन दिल्ली यू वेंट एंड डिड अ कोर्स. इसमें मैं समझ में नहीं आ गया कि एक फॉर्मल कोर्स है कास्टिंग के लिए.
नहीं, मैंने एक एक्टिंग का कोर्स किया था श्रीराम सेंटर से. मैं दिल्ली से हूँ. एक्टिंग का कोर्स किया था बिकॉज मैं उसके बाद जब मुझे एक एनएसडी में कंपनी है TI एंड नेशनल स्कूल ड्रामा के अंदर, उसमें क्वालिफिकेशन था that you need to finish your graduation and an acting diploma so that you can join that company.
Sure.
So that was a part of my job ka requirement. So that's why I did that acting course. And unfortunately, I topped in that course also. So I got A+ in my batch.
Acting course में मतलब
acting class as an actor. Yeah.
As an actor, सही बात है. As an actor, wow. तो obviously ये question आपको लोग obviously बहुत बार पूछना पड़ेगा because why would a guy who is the best actor class के सबसे बेहतरीन performer, why would he become a casting director?
Oh, I honestly tell you, then मैं जब दिल्ली में NSD में जब नौकरी करता था TI कंपनी में, conduct a lot of workshops with children. तो all the filmmakers जो बॉम्बे से दिल्ली में फिल्म बनाने के लिए आते थे, उनको हमेशा चाहिए था कि can you recommend some kid, can you recommend some small actor, because they used to come for a small schedule in Delhi. So a lot of people used to come that time. I don't know if
small actor की बात हुई तो मेरा नाम भी है उसमें.
या तुम्हारा नाम तो बोस पकड़ जाए. तुम तब से लेके अब तक तुम वहीं हो जहाँ पे थे भाई. इतने बड़े हो साइरस तुम यार. तुम बहुत I've been your fan actually. You've been
okay. ये तारीफ है या sarcasm है वो अलग बात है. Let's get back to you.
तो उसके बाद
एक्टर,
बहुत सारे फिल्म मेकर जो वहाँ पे आते थे, तो मैं जब नौकरी करता था एनएसडी के अंदर, तो बहुत से बोल के कैन यू रेकमेंड सब किड्स फॉर दिस स्मॉल पार्ट बाय डूइंग इन दिस फिल्म. विशाल भारद्वाज वर लुकिंग फॉर फिल्म इन लाइक ब्लू अम्ब्रेला में कुछ बच्चे चाहिए, फॉर दिस फिल्म कुछ बच्चे चाहिए. तो आई यूज्ड टू रेकमेंड
ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर.
या तो आई देखी. या तो आई यूज्ड टू रेकमेंड कि टेक दिस किड. आई नो दिस बिकॉज़ आई वाज पार्ट ऑफ दिल्ली थिएटर ग्रुप, सो आई न्यू आई एम फ्रॉम श्रीराम सेंटर, देन आई वाज इन एनएसडी फॉर लाइक सो मेनी इयर्स, देन आई डिड थिएटर विद ऑलमोस्ट एवरी थिएटर ग्रुप इन दिल्ली. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई न्यू लॉट ऑफ पीपल. Okay, Cyrus, you're gone.
अरे? Hello. माया, help.
आ जाएगा. टिक-टैक ब्रेक लिया है अभी हमने.
आ गया?
अभी नहीं आया, आएगा. अभी ब्रेक लिया हुआ है. क्या किटकैट ब्रेक लिया है ना? You just.
It's not come. You can't hear me.
Hi, sorry sir. Sorry guys, Cyrus will just be back. Some technical difficulties.
So Cyrus is terrible with technology. So every morning, his daughter has to come and help out with setting up the Zoom call. So we do this every morning.
We can keep chatting. You tell me.
Yes,
now.
sir. No worries. So there are some questions in the chat already for you. If you want, we can answer those from the live stream. Sid DA is asking, when is the Bhopal branch opening? So is there a Bhopal branch?
Okay, so Bhopal, yes. So I have office in Lucknow, Delhi, Chandigarh, and now in Bhopal. So we were supposed to open last 16 because of this pandemic. We had stopped. Now we're thinking जब से थोड़ा सा चीजें better होंगी, I think another 15 days or maybe I hope कि things get better sooner. So immediately जैसे शुरू होगा हम शुरू करेंगे. हमारा everything is ready. Office is set, team is set. We just have to launch the office.
Okay, wow. All the very best, sir. So cool. Okay, next one comes in from M. Arun Iyer. He's just a statement. He says, every new guest wonders what's happening for the first 5 minutes. Hilarious to watch. Thanks, Arun, for tuning in.
This is all Cyrus. You can't see Cyrus's face because this was all planned. So you get to see me more. That was the whole plan. That was Cyrus' plan.
Wow, nice. Yes, exactly. Okay. Janil Ben asks, hi, Cyrus and guest. What is your daily routine like? How are you dealing mentally with this lockdown?
Very interesting question because everybody is dealing with this difficult time at the time. So I keep reading script and I keep watching all the auditions and mostly I try to be in the office as much as I can and also just keep reading scripts. That's the only way because I keep casting for a lot of films and shows. So I have so many pending scripts, so I keep reading that.
So how many? This is a question from me. How many auditions per day do you have to usually sit through?
See, now because of the pandemic, we are not auditioning people in person. Now everything is online. Usually when, last year when some log office audition we used to see like 400 and 500 audition every day. I used to see because there are so many films that are happening. Like 50 audition per film. So if I'm doing an 8 film, so you can imagine 8 films, 50 audition per film, close to 500 auditions every day.
Wow. That's crazy. And how long? So I'm sure Cyrus would already ask you this. Can I ask again, how long have you been doing this now? Being casting?
I've been doing this from last 15 years.
16 years.
Because my life, when people got to know about my job professionally, post Gangs of Wasseypur, the Gangs of Wasseypur became a huge hit and successful film. People say because of casting. That's how people started noticing my work, and wow. my career started officially in casting post Gangs of Wasseypur, I would say.
Okay, Cyrus is back.
Thank you,
Cyrus. We'll see you back.
Victory! माफ कीजिए मुकेश, माफ कीजिए.
No problem.
One more chance. एक और मौका सर जी. मेरे पास टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं है. I'm somewhere in a village far away. Sorry, माफ कीजिए. I know you all
are you holidaying somewhere? You're not in Bombay.
Sir, holiday के बाद कहाँ से आते हैं? You know we are under this tremendous pressure. सरकार की.
But I keep seeing all the people are chilling in Maldives and Goa. I thought you might be chilling like Diamond. Look at you right now. You might be chilling somewhere.
जिनके पास कपड़ा भी नहीं है सर यार, this is just being, very cruel यार, cruel बात. Anyway, let's get back to your life. Sorry, I wanted to at least get that correct. So you had got you topped as actor. उसके बाद you started casting.
I was helping a lot of filmmakers.
Talk about Brew Umbrella, and then unfortunately.
So then, there's Richie. I don't know if you know the director called Richie Mehta. He made Delhi Crime.
Of course.
Gopal
Dutt Tiwari is in it. But my closest friend, yeah.
Yes, I cast him in Gopal. Yeah. So he was making his first film called Amal in Delhi, like in 2004. So this first film he made. So he said, "Chalo, let's start casting. So you should cast because you know a lot of actors." So that's how I started my casting journey with him, with Richie Mehta. Then Imtiaz called me to do Love Aajkal, first Love Aajkal. So then said, "Can you help me to find some Saif's friend?" Deepika's friend and some family member because all of their actors. I said, okay, let's do it. So I started like that, as an assistant director, helping all of them to karo. So slowly, the Chiller Party, then a lot of them happened. After Gangs of Wasseypur, then suddenly this hit me that I should take this job seriously. And Gangs of Wasseypur, I spent 1.5 years in casting, and my life is fully changed. And I became a professional casting director. Yeah.
Sir, but इसमें एक सवाल है which I don't think has been answered कि आपने एक्टिंग क्यों नहीं परस्यू किया?
I'll tell you why. Because I always wanted to get into direction. Acting because I did acting diploma because I wanted to join that company NSD where I so that was part of my.
But you were based in the class.
Yeah, because you know about your own self, what you want to do in life. I always wanted to get into direction and be behind the camera. So I said, okay, acting लर्न किया, कोर्स किया, वो मुझे बहुत कास्टिंग में उसका बहुत हेल्प हुआ, बिकॉज आई कुड ऑडिशन पीपल प्रॉपर्ली, आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड द स्क्रिप्ट, आई कुड रीड द स्क्रिप्ट, तो वो सब मुझे बहुत हेल्प हुआ. तो मैंने कोशिश किया कि जब मैं असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर भी था तो आई वाज ऑलवेज हैंडलिंग कास्टिंग एंड डूइंग वर्कशॉप विद एक्टर. सो देन आई सेड कि यार एक्टर तो नहीं बनना, बिकॉज माय हार्ट इज टेलिंग मी टू गेट इनटू डायरेक्शन. सो दैट्स हाउ it's all I think by chance, when you think कि ये करना है तो यही होता है. तो ये क्या.
तो मुकेश भाई wanted to be a director, happened acting by chance, और ये casting director actually is because of luck in a sense,
No, not. I'll tell you why. Because people were asking for help, then suddenly I realized that no one is taking this job seriously in this country. Everybody, because it's क्या casting क्या होता है? Because like 15 years back किसी को बोलो casting का तो बोला casting क्या होता है? People used to laugh at us. कह रहे ये casting क्या होता है? हम ही कर लेंगे, हम जानते हैं, स्कूल जानते हैं. And slowly, when I took the job seriously after Gangs of Wasseypur, people actually understood what casting is. So then I realized that these people are not taking this job seriously and the ground is fully empty. I should just grab this opportunity and become a casting director. So I completely understood the space. I said, okay, kar lete hain. Then I continued doing it. So now I'm happily pursuing my career in casting. And then I also made my film. As the उसी बहाने तो film भी बन गया.
We'll come to that, but लोग समझते नहीं, I think basically कि casting एक art या एक science भी होते हैं, which I think people have not understood. तो आपका कुछ process है? Does Mukesh have a process when he छोटी roles में अगर you have to search for actor with maybe just 5 lines, 1-2 scene. Where do you start? How do you have a bank? आपके पास already है ये सब जानकारी?
सबसे important thing अगर आपको casting director बनना भी है, सबसे पहले तो आपको script की समझ होनी चाहिए. Script का space क्या है? And you have to understand how director think, because you work with different directors. Their way of thinking is very different. Raju Rani think very differently. Anurag Kashyap think very differently. Imtiaz think very differently. Every director think very differently. So first you need to understand कि आप किसके लिए काम कर रहे हो. Then आपका script कहाँ पे set है. Film set in गुजरात और पंजाब और मध्य प्रदेश और maybe Goa. You need to understand the atmosphere कि film कहाँ पे set है. Then you have to find local actor to get the correct feel. If you see Kai Poche, I went to Gujarat and found the local actor. When I did Gangs of Wasseypur, I went to Banaras and found local actor. When you did Love State in Khurana, I went to Punjab and Man Marziya. So I think you have to first understand the space kya film ka. Then understand the director, what kind of actor he might like. Anurag like different kind of actor, Imtiaz like different kind of actor. Understand कि उनके दिमाग में किस तरह के लोग fit हैं, how he sees his film. So then you make notes and then you look for the actor. So you go to all the theatre group, you should know कि कहाँ पे कौन थिएटर कर रहा है. एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री यू शुड नो कहाँ पे थिएटर कर रहा है. गोवा में कौन कर रहा है, गुजरात में कौन कर रहा है, एमपी में कौन कर रहा है, कौन सा एक्टिंग स्कूल है, कौन लोग वर्कशॉप कर रहे हैं, कौन से टीचर है. तो आपकी नॉलेज जो इंक्रीज होना चाहिए, आपके सब जगह होना चाहिए. देन you make a full list of the character and then you sit with the director and take his brief कि what kind of actor he wants. Then you make a note, then you start auditioning for actors. Then you feel कि हाँ ये, और मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि जितने भी छोटे रोल्स है ना, उसमें ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग फेसेस को कास्ट करूँ, क्योंकि जितना छोटा रोल होगा उसका फेस इतना इंटरेस्टिंग होगा तो कैरेक्टर याद रहता है. समटाइम पीपल इग्नोर, बट आई ऑलवेज से दैट कास्टिंग जो है वो छोटे रोल से बनती है, बड़े रोल से कास्टिंग नहीं बनती है. जो छोटे रोल से माहौल बनता है उससे कास्टिंग बनती है. इफ यू सी गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर देयर वर 384 people. If you see Dangal, there were 400 people. If you see Kai Poche, 100 people. When you see Dangal, you see 400 people in that film. When you see Delhi Crime, there are 200 actors. So I always feel that casting जो है वो छोटे रोल से जो एटमॉस्फेयर बनता है उससे कास्टिंग करेक्ट बनती है. That's the process.
और ये 400-300 लोग जो है कुल मिलके, every single one you have cast.
Everyone is my responsibility. Every single one. जो भी डायलॉग बोल रहा है स्क्रीन पे आके, even if saying one line, that is also part of casting director job, from lead to one liner. Everything part of the casting director. Sometimes director wants, like for Scam, Hansal Mehta wanted me to also do this small feature, interesting faces, जो all this, जो stock market के अंदर लोग हैं, he wanted me to cast that also, so they should look authentic and real. So you have to go in that detailing, you have to research and find the people, what kind of people you see in those places. तो ये सब आपको करना पड़ता है.
बहुत महंगा प्रोपोजिशन है सर जी, बिकॉज अगर आपको नॉर्थ साउथ ईस्ट वेस्ट जाना पड़ेगा, छोटे गांव के अंदर जाना पड़ेगा, स्टॉक मार्केट के अंदर जाना पड़ेगा. आई मीन देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ legwork involved in all this.
Yeah, very legwork involved, observation involved, memory involved, to get the people, convince them to do this small part. There are so many aspects also part of it, and you make sure they act perfectly. Their acting, उसकी एक्टिंग पे काम करना पड़ेगा, सीन वर्क में काम करेगा, तो परफॉर्मेंस का लेवल करेक्ट हो, शो के हिसाब से, फिल्म के हिसाब से, मूड करेक्ट हो, तो सब पे भी काम करना पड़ता है. You have to do the workshop also before you cast the actor.
अच्छा, बट कामयाबी और सफलता का एक और प्राइस भी होते हैं, दैट इज आई थिंक पीपल विल नाउ प्रेशराइज मुकेश. तो टेल अस अ कपल ऑफ स्टोरीज जहां पे लोग डेस्परेशन में, बिकॉज़ इंडिया में बहुत डेस्परेशन है आई थिंक बॉलीवुड की लाइन में या वेब सीरीज की लाइंस में, वेयर पीपल आर प्रेशराइजिंग यू, हाउ डू यू डील विद दैट कि सर मुझे एक चांस दे दो, मुझे एक मौका दे दो, ये मेरी पिक्चर है, ये मेरे ऑडिशन.
ये बहुत I feel very sad when this, and it's happening with all the casting directors and all the people who are working. You know, so many hopes. People come and touch your feet and they treat you like a god. I always say that, listen, I'm just doing my job. Don't treat me like I'm a god. I'm just doing my job because producers are paying me to do my job well. So if I think कि मैं कुछ कर पाऊंगा, because if you're sitting out with your parents and eating out, they'll come and show you their audition. If you meet them in lift, you go wherever, they start showing you their audition on phone. तो थोड़ा सा awkward हो जाता है, but I understand the problem because I completely understand because we have less work and we have so many talented people. तो मैं कोशिश करता हूँ, लेकिन ये थोड़ा सा difficult होता है, but I understand the problem. I don't feel bad. I don't get irritated. Don't get angry. I always say that because whatever I am today, all because of the new actors. So I'm not here because of the all-stars. I'm only here because of the new talented people.
But जवाब क्या होगा सही? Is there a सही जवाब? Because I've noticed people airports के time पे अगर famous director को मिला या yourself casting director को मिला, they immediately come and start talking like you said. वो बेच देते हैं immediately on the spot. इस समय ये करता है, मैं वो करता है.
मेरे सामने तो डांस करना शुरू कर देते हैं, लेकिन डांस करना शुरू कर देते हैं, डायलॉग मारना शुरू कर देते हैं, अपना सीन दिखाना शुरू कर देते हैं. On my face, like even they don't care where कहाँ पर मैं हूँ, क्या कर रहा हूँ. They don't really care. They start even अब तो ऐसा हो गया कि if I meet any जो इस फिल्म में नहीं भी है, चाहे वो कोई डॉक्टर हो, चाहे कोई पुलिस वाला हो, चाहे किसी रेफरेंस को, सबके सब they all want to get into acting. So yeah, so I always say that, listen, if I find something nice for you, because I always say that actor अच्छा है बुरा नहीं होता, actor होता है, you have to cast them correct. So I always say that please, this is my email ID and please email कर दीजिए whatever one picture or two, because I don't believe in portfolio picture. I only believe in कि जैसे आप हो वो मुझे पिक्चर भेज दीजिए, मैं often will get back to you. So that's my standard answer to everyone.
ऐसा हो गया एक बार भी कि ऐसा जो on the spot आदमी जो spontaneously perform किया आपके लिए, have you actually got in touch with that person?
Yeah, so many times. If you see this Delhi Crime, I don't know if you've seen this show called Delhi Crime.
I've seen it.
The main boy who played the main rapist, I met him outside my office. I said, come here, you act. He said, I act. I said, the audition there. So he gave audition in 2 minutes. After 3 minutes, I said, okay, yes, you're doing the part. So it happened many times. Yeah, it's the kid called चिल्लर पार्टी में एक लड़का था फटका. I don't know if you remember the film called फटका. He तो वो स्ट्रीट, उसको मैंने लोखंड वाला रेड लाइट पे देखा था. He was doing a wheelie. So I followed that kid. I said, अरे इसको पकड़ो. तुम उसके घर पे गया. उसकी मम्मी, her mother thought मैं किसी बच्चे उठाने वाला आदमी. तो that time कास्टिनेटर कौन होता है? 10 साल पहले. So उसको मैंने कन्विंस किया, बेटा तू really अच्छे करता है, तेरा फेस बहुत करेक्ट है. तो उसके बाद 4-5 दिन मैंने उसको ऑफिस में रखा, उसके साथ वर्कशॉप किया. Then I did चिल्लर पार्टी and I got 2 national awards for the film.
I think this question will be asked of you a lot now, because आपने अभी एक stature पे आ गया, एक position पे आ गया, probably the biggest guy in the casting business. तो future में is there anything आपके wish list होगा, आपके खुद का wish list होगा? Who would you like to work with? What project would you like to make?
See, as a casting director, though, I am glad that I work with almost every big director in this country, but I still want to work with Zoya Akhtar. I still think that I want to work with Zoya, but I really love her films. So, and as a director, I want to make my next film, and I've already thought of who to cast. That's the plan is going on. And in terms of casting, I want to open at least one office in every state, in every city, so that I can get more talent and I can find more new talent. Right now, I have offices in Delhi, Chandigarh, Lucknow, now in Bhopal. So I want more offices to get so that I can bring more talent to this industry.
Wow. और कोई foreign project है? कोई Hollywood के साथ project है आपके mind में? या actors, या artists, या producers, directors?
Yeah, I want to work with Martin Scorsese. I want to work with all the great filmmakers, Woody Allen. I want to work with everyone, yeah. They're great filmmakers.
Okay,
I wish, Kabir.
Mukesh, let's concentrate on directing for 2 minutes, because abhi casting director, I think also casting director ki avatar mein, I think everybody knows you as that first. But you're very much, when you're saying ki bachpan ki agar soch hai, you actually began thinking about being a director. That was the main thing.
Yeah.
So deep down as an artist, that is what you really want to do. But you've not done as many directorial features as perhaps you should have, because you're so busy with the casting directing. So aage kya hoga? Is there some huge...
I think, I always took it when I was doing casting. So I was literally also grooming myself as a director, because I was only auditioning actor, meeting all the great filmmakers, learning from them, understanding from them, spending time with all the big filmmakers as a casting director. You're learning so much. I'm spending time with Raju Rani, with Anurag Kashyap, with Vishal Bhardwaj, Imtiaz Ali, Nitesh Tiwari. So आप सबके साथ time spend कर रहे थे. I was always, learning, gaining as much as I can. So मुझे जब भी time right होता है, you always जब casting में इतना popular हो गया तो ऐसा so let me just do this and do this job perfectly. Now when I did Dil Bechara, I want to do more films. So I think जब time आएगा, so I will now get into the sec. But I don't want to leave casting. So I'll figuring out कि कब अपने next film बनाऊँ, so that I can take a break from casting and make my film and come back to casting. So I'm just finding a right time.
और आपका कुछ favorite genre है as a director या as a
emotional love story. I don't know if you remember. I don't know if you've seen Dil Bechara. It's all about two cancer patients. So I think it's all about emotional love story. I don't think I can make action film. I can make comedy film. I don't know. I only know one genre, like great performances and just emotional story. Maybe about relationship, maybe not love story, father and son.
Okay. Can we play a small game?
Yeah.
A small game. I will give the name of the artist, your actor, your actress, और आप तुरंत बताओ कि where will you cast this person?
Yeah.
Without thinking, huh?
Okay.
It's a tough game, but ठीक है. Just spontaneously जो आपके मन में आ गया तो.
But any film or random film?
film का जो reference है वो भी ठीक है यार. Genre like romance, like you said, emotional.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
ठीक है. And we are starting this game with India's #1 casting director, also one of our top directors. And the game is called कहाँ पे डाल दो साले? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, first Sanjay Dutt.
Mahabharat.
May I ask कौन सा role?
I want to give him Arjun.
Wow. Little bit on the older side, but फिर भी.
Yeah.
Are you thinking कि the younger Sanjay Dutt या even now?
Even now.
Wow.
So interesting करते हैं ना. Let's surprise people.
Fair enough. चलो ठीक है. Salman Khan, I think.
Salman Khan तो evergreen प्रेम है. He can remain प्रेम for the rest of his life.
नहीं यार, वो तो हो गया अभी कितने बार प्रेम.
So I think Salman bhai, to be very very सोचना पड़ेगा. So he's done great film. I just want to surprise people कि तो कैसे जरूर में कास्ट करना है.
बजरंगी भाईजान.
No, I just want to make. No, बजरंगी भाईजान he's done ना. I only done it.
And वो exactly, हाँ.
So he should play a villain. I just want him to see a playing like a completely opposite of his personality. I just want him to play
completely
villain. Completely negative because he never played a negative part, like a full-on negative character. That's what I want. Because he's been Prem for तब से I didn't know Prem from many back, but now he's been Prem now.
ठीक है. Let's go with Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik Roshan, I would cast him in Ravan as Ravan.
But again,
in Ramayan as Ravan.
As Ravan, very interesting. Oh, सब almost opposite. सोच का पैटर्न
मेरा हमेशा अपोजिट चलता है. इसको रेगुलर नहीं चलता. सरप्राइज. When Pankaj Tripathi was doing Chiller Party, he was doing comedy. So in Gangs of Wasseypura gave him a main villain ka part. So I just like to surprise people. I always think an actor can play all the parts. So we should surprise everyone.
तो आपको ये gut feeling होते हैं इसमें या you actually know
Intuition.
ठीक है. Let's go to younger generation. What about Ranveer Singh?
Ranveer Singh, I would want him to play Prem in Maine Pyar Kiya. High
energy Prem. Even more energy Prem.
More energetic than Salman bhai. He's fully energetic. How he is.
तो ये remakes के बारे में आपका क्या सोच विचार है? There is one side के कहते हैं कि never touch say a Diwar या Rishole, and there's another side which says कि for this generation you have to redo. I think Hollywood में वैसा ही होता है. And मैं खुद भी remake बनाया है. मैंने भी Fault in Our Stars का remake बनाया. तो I am fully supporting of remake. I just think कि सबकी अपनी voice होती है. You can recreate the same magic. Maybe sometimes you don't. It's okay to remake. I still love remakes. There's so many filmmakers are still making remakes, and they're doing so well in life. It's fine. I just want कि that film अच्छी होनी चाहिए. वो remake हो या adaptation हो या inspired हो, film अच्छी होनी चाहिए. I just say that. ठीक है. Before we take a break, Mukesh sir, एक बात. Is Mukesh Chhabra more the teacher, the casting director, the director, या the creator who will put together a full film? What do you?
I think I'm more like a teacher because I do teaching is my profession. Workshop is my first job. Then I always say that casting director, then director, and then motivator. I think teaching is my first job. I like teaching more.
And Abhi, you've done a lot of NGO work as well, no? For free in terms of teaching.
I still do it because I just want. See, I always feel that if NGO में a lot of children, जिनके पास creatively करने के लिए कुछ नहीं होता. So I just go there and do some plays with them. उनका play अपने खिड़की फेस्टिवल में बुलाता हूँ. तो मैं बहुत सारे बच्चों के इकट्ठा करके I keep doing plays with them because that's my happiness. Let's give me more, because my when NSG में भी था तो मैं बच्चों के साथ ही काम करता था. मैं NGO में चाहे वो इस्लाम वाला ट्रस्ट है, चाहे कोई नन्ही दुनिया है, चाहे वो तितलियां हैं, all the breathing space, I work with everyone. I always feel that कि उन बच्चों के लिए क्रिएटिव बनाने के लिए कोई कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर मैं जाके 2 घंटे जाके उनके साथ प्ले कर सकता हूँ, रोज 2 घंटा जाके टाइम स्पेंड कर सकता हूँ, it's a great thing, because if you can't support them financially much, but at least you can support them creatively. So that's what I do. I love working with kids.
इन बच्चों में से किसी का लॉन्च भी हुआ?
बहुत सारे बच्चों का, ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चों का. अब if you see Super 30, all the kids were from NGOs. All the 30 kids you see with Hrithik in the Super 30, they were all from NGO. That you can see the poster right behind. All the kids, they were all from NGO. There was an NGO in Bihar. I went to all the different NGOs. I found those kids from there. Everyone from, because I wanted they should look authentic and real. So that's why I went to all the NGOs. They were all from actual NGOs.
Quite interesting, Mr. Mukesh Chhabra, philanthropist, artist, and humanitarian, and above all, creative man. All rolled into one. We'll take a quick break, and when we come back, lots more AMAs. Puchega sawal, which is impossible to answer, and Mukesh is ready with a straight bat. But in the meantime, Silvery will join us. I heard about this amazing thing, the Cred Daily Jackpot. Just go on to Cred app, pay your credit card bills, and you could win the Cred Daily Jackpot. It's very easy. 13th over of the first innings of every match, a daily mystery reward is unveiled, and you could be the one who wins it. So don't miss out. Just download Cred. 13th over, very important. Download Cred.
Follow me at Instagram and Twitter on Bored Brocha. I'm so bored, I need your help. I need your love. I need your touch. Okay, just follow me.
Download Cred. There's another secret. Download Cred.
Download Cred. Exactly. Agar paisa hai to, that's the third secret.
So did you cast for those ads as well? The Cred ads?
No, I didn't. No,
okay.
But I love those ads. Great.
Those ads are really good.
But he's cast for many ads, yaar. 50,000 ads.
I've done more than 1,000 ads, yaar.
Wow. Oh, wow. That's amazing.
I now stopped doing it because I don't get time to do ads. So I started with ads also in Bombay. All the Cadbury ads, all this Coke ad, all the big ads you see, that all I've done.
Wow. Yeah.
Okay, sorry guys. Okay, Cyrus will be back in a bit. Till then, we'll go ahead with the AMAs. All right, coming up, sir. Mukesh Chhabra, sir. The first one comes in from Kashin Shetty. This is very interesting. He says, hi Mukesh, without taking any names, when you audition someone and he or she goes on to become successful, but also goes on to become arrogant, how does that make you feel? Is it that tough to maintain humility with success?
I think very, very nice sawal, I must say. There are so many people I've experienced personally. But I always feel that always say that कि मेरा काम हो गया, I did my job well. And after that, उनके life में जो होता है वो उनकी responsibility है. I just really don't expect anything from them to remember me or be. But so far, whatever friend I made in the industry from struggling days to now, they're still my closest friend. But I understand there are a couple of people like that, and you get to see them when you meet them after 2-3 years. Their vibe is different, the behavior is different. Of course, you get to know. So I really don't take it to heart. I just take my job very seriously. I don't take them seriously.
Yeah, exactly. And you can't be blamed for anyone's success or lack of success also. It's not your fault. So it's
just I just do my job. Exactly. I move on.
Exactly. That makes sense. Awesome. Next one comes in. Okay, Cyrus should have been here for this question, but this is very funny. It says
I'm there in audio, bhai.
Oh, you're here? Okay. Hi, Cyrus. Anna has asked if Cyrus had to turn up in Mukesh Chhabra's office to be cast in a film, what would be the outcome?
Wow.
कास्टिंग काउच तो नहीं है ना सर कास्टिंग काउच है या नहीं है
अरे नहीं है यार
अरे डैम इट फिर मैंने आएगा
तो Cyrus from television days I've been watching you, such a great actor. Always people always cast you in a funny role. I would cast you in a completely different role because I always want to surprise people. Because what I did with Pankaj Tripathi was funny to completely change his image to villain. I would want to make you a villain part. Definitely.
Wow.
And I will definitely do that. That's my promise on this live streaming because I want to do that.
Villain. Wow, sir. At last, finally.
Yeah, because why do always keep making... You've done that from last 10, 15 years. I've seen you doing the same thing. Just surprise people and make you... And I think you're from theatre. You've been around for so many years. You know how to act. I know. You don't show that you know.
मेरे को एक चाकू देना हाथ में. I will start killing left, right, and center.
Your voice is gone.
Don't worry.
Okay, Cyrus, you're back. Awesome.
Am I back?
Now we can see you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're back.
It's a miracle, yaar. It's a miracle technology. Sorry, Mukesh. I don't think you'll cast me as a villain. You'll cast me as technical director.
Sorry, Cyrus.
But I'll use this laughter as in your villain ka part. That laughter is very interesting.
Yeah.
You know what Nawaz used that? Nawaz ने जो शुरू किया था ना अपना सलमान मेरा सिंह किया था. Laughter. I think I'll use your laughter in something.
Nawaz's laughter will be called Nawaz ki आवाज.
Nawaz की आवाज.
Yeah. Oh, right. I'm trying. Boss, अगर बीच में गया तो गया. Remember, this is like Corona. We have no control. Silvery bhai.
All right. Next AMA question is for Mukesh sir. Comes from Tarun Kaushik. He says, Mr. Mukesh, do you face any so-called stars who refuse to audition while like Joey from Friends because they played a lead somewhere on some movie?
That's.
I think. Yeah. So many people say no to auditioning, but I think that. For now, people are understanding. Now, when I call actor to audition, they don't really know. 4-5 साल पहले वो ना बोल देते थे. I think the process is fully different now. The cinema is fully changed. Filmmakers are making different content now. So I think now they're fully open for auditioning. I have auditioned almost every big actor nowadays for some or the other project. I think now things are very different.
Also, option भी है ना कि home पे audition करके you put it on the phone and send it. That's another new style.
And also, earlier कहते तो office में आना they might feel कि मैं इतना काम किया, why should I go to office? Now that they have to do it from home.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Silvery, आप भी audition किया था ना एक बार?
I actually auditioned for Mukesh sir.
Really?
I've auditioned for a web series, sir, and also I think you were doing a small like audition / interview with all these like a bunch of not junior actors but like supporting role actors or like smaller supporting roles, and you had called us to your office, and I think this was for your first directorial Dil Bechara. I'm forgetting actually right now, but I have done like a couple of auditions for you, but it doesn't matter.
Now we should do more audition. You have such a nice name. You can do 100 of ads.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Now
I think अगर picture insurgency के बारे में है ऐसा, he's got the right look for that kind of thing.
Yeah, and although he looked like a turkey who can hack your computer.
That also.
Done. Sorted.
Don't know.
Now I know. All right. Next one comes in from Vinay Joshi. He says, hi, Mr. Mukesh. Okay, this is interesting. He says, hi, Mr. Mukesh, you were one of the last people to work with Sushant Singh Rajput. How was your experience? What was the relationship like? Hope this is not too personal a question because we really miss SSR.
It's too personal. I feel very, I feel very sad when I talk about Sushant. That is the reason I didn't enjoy Dil Bechara's success, because I don't think so that I can talk about Sushant, because I spent 8 years of my life with him from Kai Poche to Dil Bechara. So he's too close to me. I just, still coming out of that phase. I really don't like talking about it anymore. Because I feel very, very, very sad internally, because whole my lockdown from tab se leke ab tak, I still miss him. I think about him. That's the reason I don't talk about Dil Bechara. Because when I talk about Dil Bechara, you talk about Sushant. So I avoid getting into that discussion because I feel really, really bad. I miss him a lot.
और ये media circus जो incident के बाद जो चालू हो गया, I think for at least 4 to 6 months immediately. What do you feel about that? The way they killed the story or created the murder?
Yeah, I was fully low about it. I was in my different space. I was off media. I went home. I went to Punjab and spent time with my family. I was fully. I still feel very disturbed about everything. So I want to just cut up. Just want to talk about it. I just feel so heavy.
Okay, sorry. Okay, let's move on.
Yep. This one is for you, Cyrus. Hello, Cyrus and guest. Cyrus, by any chance, this is from Kashin Shetty, sorry. He says, Cyrus, by any chance, did you help out with casting back in the 90s? I remember as a kid, I was auditioned by you for an Amul ad. I was so terrible. I think that's why you became a VJ.
I worked for 6 months in Shunyata, Poo Sayani's company. And I did the Whisper ad, which I remember clearly because kuch experience nahi hai, what's it called, sanitary napkin. And suddenly I had to do that Inca test. I don't know if you guys remember. Us time pe all sanitary napkins had Inca test to show ki, ye hone ke baad kuch nahi hoga. How do I explain it without sounding vulgar? So I used to do that. So I remember auditioning lots of ladies. That's why I asked Mukesh in the beginning ki pressure both aate hain, because when they feel you can help them get work, people behave very differently. I mean,
it's very, sometimes it becomes very scary. And because they get also, one incident I want to say that मेरी post Gangs of Wasseypur, frustration में 2-3 actors ने मेरे गाड़ी का शीशा फोड़ दिया था, side mirror तोड़ दिया था. They got angry, upset कि you don't cast करो. So मतलब I got started getting calls for threatening calls, this that. So मतलब बहुत कुछ हुआ है, तो बहुत कुछ होता है. But I still don't blame them. I understand the situation. I understand the problem. So मेरे गाड़ी के सारे शीशे फोड़ दिए थे, मुझे पकड़ लिया गया था, वो सब भी हो चुका लाइफ में.
What are you saying?
Yeah, तो ये सब भी होता है.
At least वो लोग character में था ना. They're staying in the character. Gangster.
Angry young man. Everyone.
हाँ, तो coming back to the question, I can't remember अमोल के किया या नहीं, but 3-4 I think 4-5 commercials तो किया हमने. I can't remember all of them now. Many years have passed. But the whisper I remember because I was so awkward and they were all women and I had to keep opening the thing and putting the ink. उसमें मेरे ख्याल से I lost 5 years of my life because it was very, very fearful. But yeah, it's possible. It's possible that I apologize for not casting him. But suddenly, yeah, because you have to make the shortlist. And shortlist goes to a director. I don't know. But then Mukesh started, it's a little more professional. But we would make the shortlist. Shortlist, may say, because they would not look at 40, 50, 80, 100 women for the ad. They would look at
only see the shortlist, top
the shortlist,
people.
Yeah. Exactly. So shortlist, both important cheese because you're bringing it down to top 10 or something. Then that person's chances go up a lot. So that we had that power.
That was one of my reasons I stopped doing ad because I always thought that why should I give my shortlist? I just want this actor to take this actor. So then I said, I don't want to do this casting.
But sir, ये सब generic roles थे ना, जैसा housewife in the 30s, teenage girl.
Yeah. No, but in few years back, I changed that format only. I said, ये होगा. No, I won't listen to the director only. ये the cast होगा. बोलते थे यार मुकेश के साथ काम करना बड़ा मुश्किल है, ऑप्शन नहीं देता. I said, I won't give you option. So I said, what's the point? 10 option there. We're not coordinator, we're casting director. So that is why I moved to film. I said there is more
really, and I can't believe कि इतना concentration के साथ काम कर पाएगा लोग, If I put 200 faces, how can you concentrate for 200 faces or stopping same dialogue, it's very tough here. You can see the person is not paying attention when they're watching the reel sometimes. Like,
no, but film में करना पड़ता है. For film में you have to keep watching so many. For Dangal, I had auditioned 12,000 girls. तभी अब सानिया फातिमा और जायरा और बोले 12,000 girls. For Chiller Party, we auditioned 2,000 kids. For Super 30, we auditioned 10,000 kids.
और Silvery, तूने audition किया कब? दिल बेचारा में ना?
यार, sorry, it was
audition only 5 and you didn't get it.
I mean, yeah. But I remember I was in a room at the Mukesh Habra casting at the office. I was in a room with like some 20 or 30 other actors. And the thing was that sir was saying, I'm going to start directing a movie. This is when you were still, I think, in the writing process. And you were like, I'm going to start writing this movie. I'm going to start directing this movie, sorry. And I will need all you guys. Will you guys be part of this team? And you were, I think, early on, you were starting to build your team slowly, or something like that. I think that's when this was the...
So I think filmmaking is very close to my heart. So उसमें process बहुत पहले शुरू कर देता हूँ. मैं ऐसे 2 महीने में काम करके भाग नहीं सकता. So it needs time to make that.
Yeah. Absolutely, it felt like that. It felt like you were very passionate about this project and you really wanted it to do really well.
I don't know, Cyrus has seen the film. I don't know. Have you seen the film? No.
Sir, मैं अभी 15 मिनट के बाद मैं चालू करता है. I'm already downloading it. Of course, technology की भी एक चीज है यहाँ पे तो I don't know when I'll complete the film. That depends.
Okay, shall I go to the next AMA?
Yes.
Next one comes in from Architect Vineet. He says, what does Cyrus think about his movie Fruit and Nut? I watched it yesterday on Amazon Prime. Architect.
It's a fun film. Let me talk.
Mukesh has seen Fruit and Nut. It lasted 24 hours. One day.
Yeah, but I've seen it.
But I think our idea was, I won't make excuses, just like hello friends. But the idea was good actually. It was a real bizarre comedy we had written. For example, that last bit which we had written, which I really enjoyed, was the whole thing ends with a quiz. Mahesh Manjrekar, the villain's character, and Rajat Kapoor, the head villain's character. Basically, you escape or die in the Kaun Banega sort of format. But maybe it was just too bizarre and too crazy. We didn't dot the I's and all properly, can't say. But it was fun to make. I remember एक दिन Mahesh Manjrekar का shooting करने, he took off in the middle, went to play cricket. He came back in 2 hours. So we told him, sir, how did you manage 2 hours? I never make more than 3 runs. And he came back. So it was great fun. Yeah. But maybe 50 years later, someone will like that film. Maybe it's one of those movies that will have an awakening later.
Yeah, possible. All right. Next one comes in from Rakshit Thapliyal. Again, so you don't have to answer this if you don't want to. It says, what do you think about Dharma Production removing Kartik Aaryan for unprofessional behavior?
Interesting.
Yeah,
I mean,
I think this is a very personal between them. I don't know how to explain that.
So moving on, no worries.
मैं आज की follow-up question, forget Kartik Aaryan, मगर आपको क्या लगता है, sir? Because should there be a disciplinary code? Hollywood में होते हैं. They have a contract which is watertight, and if you miss things or you misbehave, ये सब वो सब, you either lose money or.
But that we don't know the side of the story, right?
Yeah,
I don't know
absolutely.
which side of the story we should believe.
अच्छा ठीक है.
I don't want to believe in, but media is writing. I don't know which side to believe.
Correct, absolutely.
Maybe he must have his own reason. Karan must have his own reason. So I really don't want to talk about it because we don't know the both sides of the story, and I don't want to be the person कि मुझे कुछ पता ही नहीं. जबकि I did दोस्ताना, I did the casting of दोस्त.
और मेरा करण जौहर का फोन आ गया. Sir is not committing यार. क्या बोलो? Okay.
All right. Next one comes in from Akriti Arora. This is very interesting. She says, Bhumi was also a casting manager first, now became an actress.
Yash Raj, yeah.
Yeah. So do you have any such plans of getting back into acting, sir?
Me, no, yeah. Actually, I always say that Bhumi, Shweta Tripathi, Pavel Gulati, Abhishek Banerjee, I think that a lot of people are, I'll tell you, casting in this country, there is not professional institute of casting. हम सब खुद लर्न कर रहे हैं. इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर एक्टिंग, फॉर एडिटिंग, फॉर डायरेक्शन, फॉर कैमरा, नॉट फॉर कास्टिंग. हम सब उस प्रोसेस में सीख रहे होते हैं. बहुत सारे एक्टर हम लोग को ज्वाइन करते हैं इन कास्टिंग के डिपार्टमेंट में, तो गेट टू लर्न हाउ टू गिव ऑडिशन, हाउ टू बिकम को एक्टर, हाउ टू हैंडल कैमरा, हाउ टू रीड अ स्क्रिप्ट. सो आई थिंक उस प्रोसेस के थ्रू बहुत सारे लोग एक्टर बनने के लिए आते हैं, बट दे बिकम एन असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर, असिस्टेंट कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर, अपने को ग्रूम करने के लिए. बिकॉज़ व्हेन यू असिस्ट अ कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर, you get to meet so many directors, you get to read so many scripts, you audition people, you become co-actor, you read script, you handle camera, you know how to audition. So itna sara kaam aapka, plus you also get a little bit of money so that you can survive in this city. So I think ऐसा कुछ process नहीं है. जिनको बहुत सारे assistant जो अभी मुझे assist कर रहे हैं, they all want to get into direction, acting and direction. They follow from there. So I think Bhumi did a right thing. उसको opportunity मिली, उसने she grabbed it. Pavel Gulati जो थप्पड़ में था, he grabbed it. Shweta Tripathi got Masan from casting. She grabbed it. I think it's okay. It's okay. But मेरा भी plan नहीं. I'm very happy where I am.
Okay, very cool.
Also ये interesting चीज है ना कि adulthood में कभी-कभी एक परिवर्तन होता है. Suddenly in your life there's a change and you're going one way और फिर direction change हो जाता है. It's almost like karma. It's not like a person is even planned it. Like you said कि मौका है.
Sorry, sorry. Sorry.
Like you were saying only, I'm saying कि मौका है आपके सामने and then the person takes that advantage or not. You know, it's like karma. You can't. Many people may not have done it and continued the path they were on. Magar Bhumi or the other mentions that you have done, they took that chance and suddenly changed their life in another way.
Yeah, you never know. See, when I want to get into a direction, अगर मैं as an assistant try करता रहता, अगर मुझे पता नहीं मेरी फिल्म कब बनती. I got this opportunity to become a casting director, and I'm very happy about it. इस process के अंदर आपने you keep making you rather than sitting at home and waiting कि मेरी life में ये होगा, घंटे बजे के कुछ होगा life में. I kept doing it. So I think I always say that to everyone कि भैया कुछ ना कुछ करते रहो. You don't know which direction life will take you. Just follow the path.
Just to assure people who are listening to the show, sir, last 3 years of filing income tax, what kind of returns have you got? Can you tell us? सर ये इंस्पिरेशनल कहानी है ना.
हमको इतना पैसा नहीं मिलता है कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर को कि जिसका हमको इनकम टैक्स के टेंशन है. हम लोग को कोई टेंशन इनकम टैक्स की. हम लोग बहुत छोटा डिपार्टमेंट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डिपार्टमेंट है, बहुत छोटा डिपार्टमेंट है, तो हमको कोई ऐसा टैक्स की टेंशन नहीं.
ठीक है, वेल प्लेड सर. सिल्वरी एक और.
So are you a cricket fan? Because there's a couple of cricket questions.
Yes.
Okay. So this user is called Yuzvendra Chahal. It's not the actual Yuzvendra Chahal. Okay.
Yuji is a good friend of mine. तो अगर झूठ होगा तो मैं पकड़ लूँगा.
No, it's झूठ है. नहीं. This is not the actual Yuzvendra Chahal. I know for sure. But the question is, what is your opinion on all the matches ending in the last overs way too regularly?
Yeah, मुझे लगता है कि वो ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत ही अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट लिखी हुई है आईपीएल वालों ने. जो लास्ट में क्लाइमेक्स हमेशा ऐसे ही होता है. आई थिंक वेल स्क्रिप्टेड गेम्स लगता है, बट एक्चुअली वो इतना, क्योंकि वो गेम की एक्साइटमेंट ऐसे है ना, क्योंकि सब प्रोसेस में इतना रहते हैं, तो लास्ट ओवर जो होता है ना, मुझे हमेशा लगता है वो फिल्म का जो क्लाइमेक्स है ना, वो हर मैच और फिल्म का क्लाइमेक्स एक तरीके से होता है. तो आई लव आईपीएल का क्लाइमेक्स. मुझे लगता है मैं तो लास्ट के 5 ओवर देख लूँ, वेरी हैप्पी. आई एम नॉट वाचिंग 10 बिगनिंग का ओवर, मैं फाइन. लास्ट के 5 मेरे लिए बहुत 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 इंपॉर्टेंट.
I think also it's not easy to finish off a game in 16 overs. जो par score होते हैं, supposing 160, 180 के आसपास में score होते हैं, कम से कम you're not going to really finish off the match in 16.3 and all. So it's a format which allows people to have really close contests as long as it's a almost equal spotting sort of potential दोनों sides से. And that happens a lot. But people are cynical, कहते हैं कि ये fixed है, ये है, वो है. I don't know why.
How is that possible? आपके सामने सब कुछ चल रहा है. How is that possible?
और थोड़ा एंटी रोमांटिक सोच पे है. आई थिंक पीपल्स हेड्स मे बी वर्ल्ड इज बिकम लाइक दैट कि पीपल का नेगेटिव सोच इतना है कि दे ऑलवेज लुक एट द नेगेटिव. दे नेवर ट्राई टू एंजॉय व्हाट इज देयर. दे नेवर ट्राई टू थिंक कि क्रिकेट का रोमांस
especially nowadays it's more from last 1.5 years it's more now because there's so much going on around us. It's too much negativity.
Correct. I feel that's the
I go on Twitter, I see sadness everywhere. I go on Instagram, I see sadness. So I'm glad that people like you are still entertaining and keeping people happy and alive. It's very important because everyone is so sad and frustrated, not happy. It's too much.
That's why, sir, कम दिमाग लोग मेरे जैसा ना, we are always happy. You must not think too much. I've been telling people कि इतना सोच मत करो, waste हो जाते हैं. 85% is a waste of thought. 15% is enough. बाकी just लेट जाओ, सो जाओ, relax, enjoy IPL, whatever. Right, Silvery bhai?
Yep, absolutely.
He's not happy.
He's happy.
Cynical expression है सर. देखो काश लो, काश करो उसको एक चांस दे दो.
मैंने काश के लिए सोच भी लिया है इसको. मैं निधि making note right now. My team is also there. Nidhi knows how I think.
So 10% मेरे लिए है भाई.
Okay, sure.
I don't want to use the word pimp, but I am working for you.
All right. Next one comes in from Sid DA. Just a couple of questions more, sir. Next one comes in from Sid DA. He says, so would you be able to cast for foreign films as well? He goes on to say, if you are from a certain culture, you know the types of people in it. So the casting in that culture would be easier. But what about a foreign film? Would you be able to do that?
Yes, of course. Because आपके understanding तो same ही होती है. वो लोग emotion भी same होते हैं. वो लोग भी सेम तरीके से सोचते हैं. एक्टिंग तो आपको समझ में आई जाती है. आई थिंक मुझे कास्ट करना है. मेरे को तो इवन फॉरेन फिल्म क्या, आई वांट टू कास्ट फॉर गुजराती फिल्म आल्सो, राजस्थानी फिल्म आल्सो, पंजाबी फिल्म आल्सो, फॉरेन फिल्म आल्सो. फॉर मी हर लैंग्वेज की फिल्म कास्ट करना इज अ चैलेंज. सो फॉर बिकॉज़ आई ऑलवेज फील द इमोशंस आर सेम, थॉट्स आर सेम, फीलिंग्स आर सेम. यू हैव टू प्लेस देम इन राइट स्पेस.
आई थिंक सर का एक तरीका है, एक स्टाइल या प्रोसेस है, एंड दैट इज ही लाइक्स टू गो एंड डिस्कवर. So almost with a clean slate, he goes to the ground, he goes to the area. तो अगर वो बल्गेरिया हो या
मैं कहीं भी जा सकता हूँ, हिंदुस्तान के वर्ल्ड के किसी कोने में कास्टिंग करने ले जा सकता हूँ. आई डोंट रियली केयर कि मैं यहीं कास्ट करूंगा. एंड आल्सो मैं पिछली फिल्म को कभी काउंट नहीं करता कि अरे आई हैव डन वासीपुर, आई हैव डन गायपोची, आई हैव डन 200 फिल्म. एवरी टाइम मैं जब फिल्म स्टार्ट करता हूँ उतने नर्वस होता हूँ. मैं फिर से नया स्टार्ट करता हूँ एक फ्रेश फिल्म की तरह और फ्रेश प्रोसेस में जाता हूँ. आई डोंट रिपीट द प्रोसेस. आई कीप डिस्कवरिंग माई सेल्फ कि यार ये तो मैंने कर दिया, वासीपुर कर दिया, कायपोचे कर दिया, दंगल कर दिया, बिरदंगे भाईजान कर दिया, दिस कर दिया, दैट कर दिया. तो ऐसे नाउ लेट्स व्हाट नेक्स्ट. आई कीप डिस्कवरिंग माय सेल्फ कि अब ये वाला फिल्म करना है, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग करना है. अभी मुझे शो इंटरेस्टिंग करना है, डेली क्राइम इंटरेस्टिंग करना है, फैमिली मैन इंटरेस्टिंग करना है, सीक्रेट गेम को इंटरेस्टिंग करना है. अब उससे बेटर कास्टिंग क्या होगी. मैंने सिर्फ स्कैम कर दिया. यू नो आई वेंट टू गुजरात. सब कुछ ऐसा लगता है गुजरात का पूरा गुजरात इन वन स्कैम. तो आई थिंक वो मैं वहीं चला जाता हूँ. मैं फॉरेन फिल्म करना होगा तो मुझे जैपनीज फिल्म करना होगा, मैं वहाँ भी चला जाऊंगा. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं.
Sure, sir. Coming down to the last question, comes in from Muhammad Akib. He says, you've already kind of answered this question, sir, but he says, once the casting for a film is done, how involved are you in the process of making it?
हम लोग क्या होता है कि कास्टिंग जब खत्म भी हो जाती है उसके बाद भी जब तक आपकी पूरी फिल्म शूटिंग नहीं हो जाती है, कभी आपको रिप्लेस करना पड़ता है एक्टर, कभी लास्ट मोमेंट में कुछ चेंजेस होते हैं, कभी सीन का कुछ रिप्लेसमेंट होता है, कभी एक्टर अच्छे से परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाता, रिप्लेसमेंट होता है. जब तक फिल्म की शूटिंग कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाती हम तब तक इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं. और अगर if I'm doing the workshop with actor, so sometimes they need me to be on set with actor. That's a separate job, so I do that also. And sometimes they need me for dubbing also. Then we are there for dubbing also. Some process शुरू से लेके एंड तक हम साथ प्रोसेस में रहते हैं. तो हमारा कास्टिंग
आप ऑलमोस्ट एक लाइफ कोच के रूप में, मोर देन जस्ट कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर, आप कोच या मोटिवेटर की जैसा.
Yes, you have to be I become the part of the team. I just don't do casting किया चले गया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. You have to be with the team throughout. जब तक शूटिंग होने लगा, स्पेशली दिस टाइम इन कोविड टाइम, बिकॉज कितने लोगों को कोरोना हो रहा है, तो यू आर रिप्लेसिंग द एक्टर ओवरनाइट, फाइंडिंग एन ऑप्शन ओवरनाइट. सो मेनी शूटिंग्स आर गेटिंग कैंसिल्ड, एक्टर आर यू नो एंड सो सैड. एंड एक्टर ऑलरेडी शूट कर रहा है पर रिप्लेस करना पड़ रहा है, रीशूटिंग द सीन. तो सो मेनी थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग. तो आप 24 घंटे ये कर रहे होते हैं. आपका काम आज 10 से 5 का नहीं होता है, ये काम आपका 24 घंटे का.
Final question, छोटी question, and that is Gopal Dutt. आप दिल्ली क्राइम
मेरा फेवरेट एक्टर है, मेरा एनएसडी के टाइम का दोस्त है, जब मैं एनएसडी में था तब एनएसडी में था, तो आप उसी वो दिल्ली क्राइम का बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग किस्सा बताऊं तो वो मेरे ऑफिस में किसी और चीज को ऑडिशन देने के लिए आया था, तो वो सीढ़ी से उतर था, अरे मैं गोपाल इधर आई टोल्ड रिची ये रोल गोपाल करेगा, इन 30 सेकंड में डिसाइडेड।
सर मेरा प्रॉब्लम अलग है, वो है कि एक बार 2017 की बात है, he took 55 रुपया from me to pay a taxi, he has not returned the money।
गोपाल अब तो तू इतना सारा काम कर रहा है, तो
प्लीज बात करो उसके साथ।
गोपाल मैं एक बहुत रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, तूने इतना सारा काम कर लिया, तू इतने सारे पैसे कमा रहा है, तू रेडियो में भी शो कर रहा है, तो इतने सारे मैंने कम से कम 10 शो में तो मैंने तुझे कास्ट कर दिए थे, फिल्म में कास्ट कर दिए, तो प्लीज 55 रुपया लौटा दे, और 2007 से लेकर अब तक उसका जितना भी इंटरेस्ट है वो सब जोड़ के साइरस को प्लीज दे दे। ये हाथ जोड़ के मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ। गोपाल दत्त तिवारी मेरे एनएसडी के सीनियर हैं, वो आप रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ पैसे लौटा दीजिए, आपकी वजह से मेरी लाइफ में बहुत बेइज्जती हो रही है।
Sir, this is a great audition. Pass हो गया। Okay, great talking again. Apologies, Mukesh, for all this. Hopefully, it'll get sorted at some point. I don't know what to do from this area. But what a lovely conversation with Mukesh Chabra. What we have learned that he's not just a specialist when it comes to finding the right talent, but he's also very much an artist, a director who's going to give us some big films in time to come, and a humanitarian who always finds time for all people from any walks of life and pushes the theatre and acting agenda. So, well done, sir. Thank you. You go into my list of 100 great Indians.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
अभी लिस्ट बनाते हैं। Silvery, you're 204. तो थोड़ा पकड़।
Oh shit. Okay.
Okay,
Bye,
guys.
guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, catch us on any of the podcasting apps. Please, we beg you, we need you. Send us your questions on Twitter on Cyrus Says In, or you can email us, even if you're not female, on whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. We'd like to thank our sponsors this week, TheWholeTruthFoods.com, PayPal, Cred, and Siat. Thank you so much for working with us. We really appreciate it. First up this week, let me tell you about Cyrus Says. We featured popular YouTuber and actor Prajakta Kohli, who took us through a journey of content creation. We also had conversations with Vasanthi Hariprakash and Sachin Kalbag this week. Really great conversations. Do check those out. Vineet Kanabar goes solo this time on Storytellers and Storysellers as he talks about his favorite IPL ads and how brands have been making content around the Cricket League. On The Habit Coach, Ashton was joined by Arjun and Somesh of the Fighting Goat podcast to talk about fitness for combat sports like the mixed martial arts. On Nankari, Sadaf and Archit discussed the diet and lifestyle of athletes with the host of the Millennial Athlete, Shok Ramchandra, who is also a pro badminton player and coach. Ambarana opens the 4th season of Know Your Kanun with a list of things he has planned on the show for us, including episodes on immigration law and on career prospects for law students. The IPL season's on and we've definitely got you covered. Tune in to the Edges and Sledges podcast if you're looking for English, and if you're looking to listen to something in Hindi, definitely check out Khel Neeti. Both are great shows with great takes. And with that, I hope to see you again next week.
We live in an age of disruption, of immense change in every aspect of work, life, and business. But is the old way of doing things truly dead? And are we ever going to stop saying the new normal? Join me, Varun Dugirala, on Advertising is Dead every Tuesday as I talk to entrepreneurs, leaders, creators, and change makers from across business, media, marketing, and beyond to dig a little deeper into how we got here, what we're doing now, and where we're headed. You can catch all the episodes of Advertising is Dead on the IVM Podcast website, app, or wherever you get your podcast from.